Love this one. This one makes you think a little bit, but not too hard. Um, if we know that this segment here is 9, we know that in a rhombus, the diagonals bisect each other. So if that's 9, this is 9 as well. Now look what we've got here. We've got this triangle that you need to know this, but these meet at 90-degree angles. So we've got a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. So I'm going to write in here 30 degrees. Okay. And then what do we know? Well, if that's 9, we can see that that short leg of this that's opposite the 30-degree angle. Remember, the side opposite the smallest angle is the smallest side, so that's the smallest side of 9. Small leg is 9. How do we find the long leg? We multiply it by root 3. So we've got then this side is 9 times root 3. And of course, then so is this down here, 9 root 3. And now we know what our two diagonals measure. Remember, the formula is area equals 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. And let's figure it out. We've got 1/2 of, what is diagonal 1? Follow my laser pointer. If this is 9, then, and this is 9 as well, that's given, then the whole thing is 18. So we've got one diagonal of length 18. What about the other way? Here, if this is 9 root 3 and this is 9 root 3, then we've got a full diagonal length of 18 root 3. And when we multiply those out, 1/2 of 18 is 9. 9 times 18 root 3 is 162 root 3. And we weren't given units, so we just say units squared for the area. That is C. Done.